Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, I'm giving you as a demonstration how to turn off Google Map location history on iOS device and Android device. If you use the Google Map app, you might be surprised to see that place you were have been tracked and saved within the app. Watch this video to learn how to turn off Google Map app and location. So let's start as a demonstration. Open your Google Map app and look at this. Here my menu is come profile menu, and one options are come here your timeline. You click your timeline. I already delete my location history. I can give you as a quick demonstration. You click here, comes three dots, and after click this three dots comes setting options are come. So scroll down here, delete some options are comes here. Location history is on, delete location history, range, delete all location history. So click here, delete all location history, permanently delete all location history, click and delete. Wait couple of seconds and finish. Everything is finished, and then after location history is on, click there, and here my location history is on. You can off this location history. You want pause location history related to my Gmail account, and I pause the location history. So look at this, my location right now is a pause, and then after I can use the Google Map. Nothing information are stored in this particular Google Map app. You can delete and you can add related information, whatever you want. You want delete this information or location history, you can follow these tricks and solve your problem. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.